today I'm going to tell you a story, and the book is A Child's History of the World. And do you know what's the title? The title is A World of Wickedness and Wonders. Okay, let's start. There was a king. He liked doing not so good things. And then when he died, his son now would take over the place now. But do you know what was the son's name? It was not like Charles, James. It was not like that. It wasn't a simple name. It wasn't Simon, but his name was Nebuchadnezzar. What would you like to call him? Neb or Adnissar? Just between these two. But that's how his name was. I don't think he had a nickname because it didn't say there. It only said nicknames that you want to name him in those nicknames. Yeah. And Nebuchadnezzar, he also wanted to do such bad things. His land was so flat. Not even a single hill. And he just did bad things all day. He just eat, drink, be merry. Eat, drink, be merry. Be merry. Yeah. Like, Merry Christmas, a Merry Christmas. Yeah. But Nebuchadnezzar also wanted a queen for him. A wife for him. Yeah, to be the queen of his place. I think that place named Mede. That's the place where they helped the Nebuchadnezzar's father to fight. And so Nebuchadnezzar met a beautiful princess there. And then soon they got married and she was now the queen. But his land was so flat, there was no hill, not a single hill. And she became homesick. The queen became homesick. It means really sad. I want to go home because because there's no hill. And so Nebuchadnezzar, he built a hill. But the hill wasn't even in his flat surface. It was in the top of his palace. The roof of his palace. How can a king build like that? I think he planned it and then his workers built it. Yeah, I think so. But I think it's so hard. The castle will be more heavier. And I don't know if the castle can carry another piece. Yeah. It already has a roof. It already has windows. It already has gates. Those things are heavy. But they decided to add a hill. And then in the top of the mountain, another top of the mountain, there's trees. Trees are also heavy. And more than flowers, they planted trees, apple trees. And so the queen could sit there on the top. I wonder if she's afraid of heights. I don't know if their castle is tall or short. Not too short. Maybe like this. And so the queen enjoyed it a bit. Yeah, because I think she didn't like how high it was. Yeah. And do you know what that garden was called? It was called the Hanging Garden. Because it's a garden that hangs on the mountain and the mountain hangs on the palace. I don't know if a palace can carry a big mountain with heavy trees. Also, Nebuchadnezzar trusted in many kinds of gods. And do you remember the Jews, the Israelites? They said, no, we will not worship your gods. Because they only trusted the one and only God, Jesus. But Nebuchadnezzar also wanted them to be a tax collector. But still they said no. So Nebuchadnezzar made those Israelites slaves. Yeah. Just like how the Israelites were slaves in Egypt. Yeah. And do you know the temple of Solomon, the one that Solomon had built it, and the one that King David, Solomon's father, had planned? Yeah. And that temple was burned. Oh no. And then the Jews were already slaves. And do you know what Nebuchadnezzar's people did? They just eat, drink, be merry. Yeah. They be happy, eat, drink, happy, eat, drink, sleep, happy, eat, drink, sleep. Just do that every time. And do you know how many years the Israelites were slaves? 70 years as a slave. Imagine that. That is so long. I don't think all of us can take it. Oh, also, there's a funny part in here. And that, do you know the king, diba, Nebuchadnezzar had everything he wanted. But suddenly, he enjoyed everything that he was doing bad. And then, he went crazy. And then he walked like a sheep, and because put his feet on the ground, hands on the ground, and eating grass. Wow. He thought he was a beast because everything was so wild. Yeah, and bad. That's why there is wickedness because they do things bad, and wonders because their king acts like a beast, and their mountain is and their hill is on the top of the palace. That's why it's wickedness and wonders. That's how that world is. Oh my God. Okay. So my lesson here is always try to do good things, or else you'll get used to do bad things. And because of what he did, everything he did bad, he was punished to be like a beast. Imagine a king thinking of being a beast and eating grass. And I don't know if they have dogs. Because if they have dogs, they would poop it, the king would suddenly eat their poop without noticing. Okay. That's all.
Okay, Ate Mags. So, what is that country that King Nebuchadnezzar owned it? What is that place?
Babylon!
Yeah, it was in Babylon. And you know what's the shape of that Babylon? When he put walls?
It's a square.
Yes.
And also there's brass walls. And I think he made, I don't know, but I know that he made like 100 walls, I think.
Yeah, and it's so huge.
Yeah, it's
right?
so huge, yeah.
Okay, so what happened to the Babylon now when the king went crazy? Is still the Babylon become the greatest, like the Nineveh, remember?
No, the Babylon didn't become the greatest. Because, yeah, they had everything they wanted, except they didn't do anything good. So it wasn't really a good place.
Okay, yeah, that's right. And then, remember the people, anak, the more they
do bad things, the more they like it.
Yeah. And I think, who do you think made them crazy? It's who?
The king. Because he was like a beast.
Oh, yeah. And who punished them? It's
The Lord, of course.
Yeah, of course. That's right. Okay. So what do you think? Is the Babylon become like Nineveh also? Diba, remember the king, the father of Nebuchadnezzar wanted Babylon to be like Nineveh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were in envy with Nineveh.
Mm.
Because before they would defeat Nineveh, why don't they just ask?
Mm-hmm.
Ask what they did to make it a very nice place.
Mm.
So both of them can rule nicely.
Mm. Yeah, because they just conquered other countries, and that's how they become great.
Yeah, because left to right they conquered.
Okay, so you remember what are the other 7 wonders that it says there? We only have 3, right? You know only 3. So what are those 3? Mention there.
Okay. So, first, it's the Pyramid of Egypt.
Mm-hmm.
Second, the statue of Zeus.
Yeah.
Third, a mountain in top of a palace.
Yeah, it's called what's that kind of garden?
Uh, the the hanging garden.
Yeah, it's the hanging garden. All right.
Bye. Thanks for listening.